How to disassembly an EVA deck pad. Here is the tutorial video. First you need a hand press tool as video shows. Try open the EVA pad piece by piece along the edge. This is a meticulous and patient task. Care must be taken to avoid damaging the board body or the printings. The glue for EVA deck pad is yellow glue. Feature is very strong. The chemical water named ethyl acetate. Dangerous chemical water, easy fire, so be careful use. Be careful, do not splash into eyes. The product is inflatable product, so use knife should be very careful.